In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Lark meeting. If you've ever worried about missing a meeting or felt unsure about the join process, don't worry. This walkthrough makes it simple, clear, and consistent whether you're on a computer or a phone. First, open your invite. Meeting invitations can arrive in a few places, so check your chat app, your email inbox, and your calendar. In chat, look for a message that includes a meeting link. Sometimes it's pinned or shared shortly before the start time. In email, search for the meeting subject or the word Lark to find the invite quickly, and don't forget to glance at your junk or spam folder just in case. In your calendar, open today's date and look for the event title. The event details usually include the meeting link and time, which helps confirm you're joining the right session. Next, click the link. Tap or click the meeting link directly from your chat, email, or calendar. The link will open Lark or your web browser and take you to the meeting's lobby or preview screen. If your device asks how you want to open the link, choose the option that launches Lark so you get the best experience. Give it a moment to load. A short delay is normal, especially if your internet connection is busy. Then, join the meeting. On the screen that appears, look for the Join button and select it. Before you enter, you'll usually see options to turn on your microphone and camera. Toggle your mic on if you plan to speak right away. If you're in a noisy place, consider joining muted and unmute when needed. Turn your camera on if you're comfortable being on video. If your device asks for permission to use the mic or camera, allow it so others can see and hear you. Position your camera at eye level, check your background, and make sure your lighting isn't too bright behind you. If you use headphones, put them on to reduce echo and make your audio clearer. Finally, you're in. Once you're inside the meeting, you should see the host and other participants, and your controls for mute, video, and other features are usually visible along the bottom or side of the screen. Take a second to confirm your mic and camera are working as expected and you're all set to participate. That's it. Open the invite, click the link, join the meeting, and you're in. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to join any Lark meeting with confidence.